Introducing the Inflator Inflator, the only battery-powered portable inflator designed exclusively for inflatable dunnage airbags. Inflator provides a simple, low-cost solution for inflating the shipper's products' lightweight paper, polywoven, or vinyl airbags without cumbersome air hoses or cords. Operators avoid tripping hazards while being able to quickly and efficiently secure loads with unmatched air pressure from a cordless airbag inflator. Connect the pigtail wire tips to the battery, the red wire to positive and the black wire to negative. Plug the charging station into any standard 120 volt outlet. Place the battery into the charging station and connect the gray pigtail tip to the charging port. Full charging time is 8 hours. Once it is charged, remove the battery from the charging station. Insert the battery into the case and secure it using the Velcro straps. Snap the two pigtail connectors together and zip the unit closed. Screw the appropriate inflator tip onto the hose. To turn the unit on, press the start button. Do not hold down the start button. To stop inflation, press the button a second time. Note that the inflator must be completely stopped before turning it back on again. To accommodate the user and their unique loading application, there are many different ways to wear the inflator. 2 straps in the front, 1 strap over the shoulder, 2 straps backpack style, 1 strap in the front, 1 strap in the back, or by the handle.